Hello and welcome to another property technical video. Today I'll be talking about one of my past renovation project called Project Alpine. So this is what Project Alpine started with. And when we were done, this is the end result. And we did it all under $10,000. So let me show you how we did all this. So this was the starting point. Notice the steps here. We refreshed it later on, and the lattice on the right hand side was also removed. This is an old Google Maps photo showing the brick retention wall, which was looking a bit tired, and there was a rusty old letterbox. So we painted the retention wall with the same color as the footing of the building, and we replaced the letterbox with a brand new one, because these are some of the first things that a potential buyer is going to see, and it is important to make a good first impression. So the porch, each one of these tiles were hand painted. So my wife painted the whole thing one tile at a time. It took her about half a day. And the balustrade, those were from offcuts of timber from another project. It was going to go into landfill. Instead, I just brought it here and screwed them in. Voila, reclaimed timber, it looks fine. The old rollout sunshades were taken off as well, they didn't work anyway, and the gutters were painted and they looked fresh. Inside, although it looks depressing, these are all cosmetic. Structurally, there weren't much wrong. So what we did in the inside is basically painted everything. The ceilings were painted white and the walls were painted matching white. So if my brushwork wasn't up to scratch, it could not be noticed as well. New curtains, that's important, and new door was needed. The old one was begging for retirement. I hired a belt sander and sanded the entire house. Took me one day. The stain that was applied is called Japanese black, and I'm in love with it since. The old kitchen was somewhat functional but needed repairs. The cabinets were in bad state. We ripped out everything old and put in new everything. The entire kitchen was done in under $3,000. This included the appliances, the cabinets, installation costs for electrician, the plumber, and handyman, who also received my assistance. This is the other side of the kitchen. The floor had vinyl, so we ripped it out. Rest is all paint and new curtain. On a side note, try and avoid doing an open house completely empty. If you can, put in some furniture, it makes a big difference. The back living area, the door needed changing. So we got a French door as it lets in a lot of light, and visually it's nice as well. Plus, added bonus, it's cheap. The Japanese black stain has a glossy finish. You think black would make a room dark, but it does not. There was a study nook, same here as well. Again, paint on the walls, new curtain, and that's it. The main bedroom. Overall, it was just cosmetically tired. So we painted the walls here as well, new curtain. The built-in wardrobe was functionally fine, so we left it alone as it is. The bathroom. It was too timbery and a bit 70s. So paint everywhere except the floors. The tile paint came out such that you could not tell it was paint. Orange bathtub because we thought, why not? The bathtub itself was painted with an epoxy paint, and that did freshen it up very nicely. We put in a new mirror cabinet, the glass screen, a new shower head, and these are all DIY items. The other rooms, they were fine as far as walls are concerned. So I just stained the floors to keep it same and left the rest as is. The end of the story is that this house did not sell, so we had to knock it down. Now, why did we knock it down? That's a story for another video. Let me know if you're interested in knowing it, so I'll make that video sooner than other ones I'm working on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please do feel free to let me know. I shall endeavor to answer you as soon as I can. Please also consider subscribing, as I'll be bringing updates from my current projects, and I hope the information shared will help you in your journey. Thank you for dropping by. I shall see you in the next video. You take care of yourself.